Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app, which will provide you a keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So this list is pretty long, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you want to apply. Of course, you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of it, so it will be much easier and faster. And after finding the language, simply tap on it. As you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the keyboard layout. So the amount of keyboard layouts depend on the language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. All you have to do in order to apply particular layout is to tap on it and make sure that it is marked. So let's pretend I want to use this one and I don't want to use this one. Right, so let's simply tap on done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check the changes, because we will have two, or we've got two. The first one is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So currently I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And the second difference, which is also visible right now, is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. As you can see right now, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So then let's enter the settings again and tap on the languages. And whenever you want to have only one language, you can stop right here. So you don't have to apply 2 languages and go back to the keyboard and check all of it. Simply after finding the language, tap on it, add it right here, and then you can tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, because right now you can mark the language you want to remove. So for example, the previous one. So let me pick, in my case, I want to remove Urdu, and then simply tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, or any other language of your choice. And after getting back, we can see that we do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.